Yes, hello everyone. This is Julius Baluku, and I'm here in Arua City, here, a historical city, a very beautiful city here in West Nile. And I'm at St. Mary's Ediofe Girls Senior Secondary School here, one of the strong schools here in the region. Messieurs, dames, bonjour. Je m'appelle Julius Baluku et je suis ici à Arua, dans la ville de Arua, et ça se passe très bien. En fait, ici, cette école est une grande école vraiment pour les filles, en fait. Et voilà, ici, on est là pour, en fait, beaucoup d'activités, mais je voulais juste vous parler de ce projet derrière moi, de ce bâtiment, un dortoir qui a été construit par l'ambassade de France en Ouganda. En fait, à l'époque, en fait, l'ambassade qui était là, vraiment a fait un grand travail comme les autres, bien sûr. Et puis, on a construit presque, je pense, 4 bâtiments dans différentes écoles. Et cette école vraiment a reçu jusqu'à à peu près 190 000 euros pour construire ce bâtiment. It's a storage building, and it's a project that the French embassy in Uganda at that time gave to schools, not only this school but many schools, and we really want to appreciate the French embassy in Uganda. Thank you so much. You really did a very wonderful job, because this building here hosts or helps over 400 students, you know, to have accommodation in the school. So it's a very big project. It's a storage building, much as you may think that it's just the ground floor, and it is still being constructed. So the students are already there, 350 plus, yeah, over 400, and it's self-contained. The toilets, everything is very good. We would like to thank the French embassy for having really thought of such projects, you know, on top of, you know, funding or financing other projects like teaching and learning of French language in Uganda for our own good, you know, because, you know, our neighbors speak French, and, you know, French is an international language. So we really thank you for this Uganda-France relationship. So we really thank the French people, the French government, through the French embassy in Uganda, for having, you know, thought about schools, not only this school but also other schools in different regions, yeah, because these projects were possible because under the Association des Professeurs de Français, APFO, the president of the association by then, Professor Milbu Gachero, was one of the people that, you know, spearheaded this, and it was a big success, and we are proud to see such beautiful projects in different regions in Uganda. Messieurs, dames, bonjour. Merci beaucoup, pardon, et je vous remercie en fait d'avoir en fait liké, commenté toutes nos actualités. Merci beaucoup, au revoir.